Question number 1b. We have to find the HCF again with prime factor method. How to find with prime factor? First of all, we will find all the prime factors of 45. So, we will see that this 45 is divisible with 2 or not. We are having here 5. Is this 5 divisible with 2? No. If this is not divisible, means 45 will not be divisible. So we will shift towards 3. Now we will check that is this number divisible with 3. How to check divisibility of 3? 4 plus 5 is 9, means 45 is divisible in 3. So we will write here 3. How to solve? In the table of 3, is this 4 coming? No. Less than 4, 3 is coming, right? 3 is coming how many times? 1 times. So we'll write here 1. From this 4, 1 is left, na? That 1 will shift towards this 5 and 5 will become 15. In the table of 3, 15 comes how many times? 5 times, like this. Clear? Means 45 is divisible in the table of 3 in 15 times. Again, we will see that 15 is coming in the table of 3. So we'll write here 3. How many times 15 comes in the table of 3? 5 times. So we'll write here 5. We have 5 as the prime number. So it will come in its own table. Then here 1. Now we will find the prime factors of 180. In this 180, what is in the ones place? 0, which is even number. So we can solve this using 2. So we'll write here 2. In the table of 2, 1 is not coming and it is smaller than 2 also. That time we will take both the digits. Both the digits are 18. In the table of 2, 18 comes 9 times and here 0. Again we have here 0. If we have 0 means we can solve it with 2. In the table of 2, 9 is coming? No. Before 9 it is 8 and 8 comes in the table of 2, right? 8 comes how many times? 4 times. So we will write here 4. 1 is remaining. We'll shift to this one. 2 5s are 10. Now in the ones place we don't have the even number. So then we will come to the table of 3. Because 4 plus 5 is 9 and it is divisible with 3. Again you can see 45 15 times, na? 3 1s are 3. 1 is remaining here. 1 will shift to this. 3 5s are 15. Then 3 times 15. Then 5 times 1. Clear? These are the prime factors of 45 and all these are the prime factors of 180. Now we will write separately both the prime factors. 3 into 3 into 5 and 180 also we will write the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. After this what we have to do? We have to select the common ones. If you will see here, this 2 is not there in 45. No need to write this 2. This 2 is also not there. But we have 3 here and 3 here also. This is your one common factor. After this, what else is the common one? This 3 and this 3 together make up one pair and a common factor. After this, 5 also is common. Okay, simply we have to make the group of the common numbers. So you can see here 3 is common with this 3, second 3 is common with another 3 and 5 is common with 5. After this we will multiply. How to multiply? 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45 is your HCF of 45 and 180 using prime factorization method. Only the thing which you need to know is how to find the prime factors. If you are able to solve this prime factor, then it will be easy to use the common factors and to multiply. That's all.